Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Todd with the TW Home Show, and today we're going to be testing out a product. This is for your smart home, for your exterior landscaping lights or exterior decorating around the holidays. This is the OITTM Smart Outdoor Outlet. And notice right here, it works with Amazon Echo and it works with Google Home Assistant. So let's see what's in the box here. We've got a small instruction manual, and on this it will show you where to get the app, and you can download the app with the Apple iTunes store or the Google Play store. You can get that app right on the store there, and I'm not going to show you how to do that. We'll get into the programming of it. But here's the actual unit itself. It's got one physical on-off switch right there if you need to do it manually, and a grounded outlet, and one outlet input right here. And it's got this little rubbery cover, which, you know, I don't know why they wasted the money on that, because if you're going to have this outside, why would you not have it with nothing plugged into it? So that's just my opinion. But anyway, there it is. Plug it into your wall outlet outside, GFI outlet hopefully, and plug your control unit in here. I'm going to turn my landscape lighting timer box to constant on and then plug it into here, and then I can control it with all of my smart home appliances together instead of having it on auto. I just think that why not, if I can have all of my stuff together in my smart home, why not do it? All right, so stay tuned. Okay guys, we're ready for programming, and we're going to open up this OITTM Smart Home app for the exterior outlet. I've already created a login, I registered, so this is your main screen that opens up, and I'm already logged in, so we're going to go ahead and add devices. And I believe we want to add smart plug. Let me make sure. Look at all these things they have that you can add in here. All right, we're going to do the smart plug. All right, I've got the OITTM Outdoor Outlet, Smart Outlet, plugged in here, and it's operating this light up here. So we're going to press this button to put it into programming mode. It says to hold for 5 seconds until the light starts flashing red. Rapidly red. Ready for programming. Power on the device, confirm, indicator rapidly blink. Yes, it is blinking red rapidly. We'll confirm that. Enter the Wi-Fi password. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to pause this just for a moment. It's connecting now. And let's see what happens here. That connected very quickly after I put my password in. Not sure why that screen is over top, but it says 100%. I'm going to say done. Socket is off. And socket is on. So we've got it hooked up remotely with the smart app. Very easy and fast to do. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take this outside and hook it up to my landscape lights. But first, let's go ahead and get this connected to Amazon we'll get it connected to Amazon Alexa before we go outside. Stay tuned here. All right, we're going to go ahead and open up Amazon Alexa. And we're going to go up here to this 3-bar menu here, click on that, and go to skills. The skill you need, it says in the instruction manual, you need the Smart Life skill. And I'm not sure, I might already have that with another app that I'm using. Let me click on your skills and I can see all skills. And we're looking for Smart Life. See if it's in here already. And scroll up here. Smart Life, we already have it. So if you don't have it, you're going to type in Smart Life right here and download this Smart Life skill to your Amazon Alexa. So for now, we're going to go back and we're going to go to Smart Home, since we already have that skill. And we're going to go to Add Device and see if it discovers this new device. And I forgot, we're going to have to go back and see what I named this device. It must have assigned the name automatically because it connected when I connected it to my Wi-Fi, and it actually worked with pushing the button on the Smart app, but it didn't ever ask me to name the device. So we'll go back after this goes through the Discover mode. No new devices found. So I'm going to close this out. I want to go back here. It might already be in there, but I don't know what it's named. So we're going to go back and go into that, there it is, OITTM Smart App. Okay, it automatically named it Outdoor Outlet. So let me go back to Amazon Alexa, see if Outdoor Outlet is already in here, since I already had the skill. Nope, there's no Outdoor Outlet. So what did we do wrong here? Let's see. Let me go to skills, go into Smart Life. Okay guys, we're back, and notice right here, Outdoor Outlet, I found it. What actually happened was I had to disable the skill and then enable it again. So now it's working. But let me show you what I did first. I went back to the menu, I went to skills. So anytime you add a new device to your Smart Life skill, actually you're going to disable the skill and then enable it again and then log back into your Smart Life account, and then it automatically, after I did search again, it found it within my devices under Outdoor Outlet, which it automatically named for me. I can go back and rename that, but right now we're going to use it as Outdoor Outlet. And like I told you before, I showed you right here, it is Outdoor Outlet. So I'm going to try this. All right, here we go. We've got the OITTM Outdoor Outlet right there connected to that light. It's plugged in. Right now the state is off, and I've got my Amazon right there. Echo, turn on Outdoor Outlet.
Okay.
Echo, turn off Outdoor Outlet.
Okay.
Very good. So we've got it. That's a big thumbs up for OITTM Outdoor Outlet, or OITTM Outdoor Outlet. Not sure what you'd call it. OITTM, probably OITTM. And I'm going to go ahead and show you where I'm going to use this outdoor on my landscape lighting, and then we'll wrap this video up. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here's where I'm going to be using it out here, where I installed my landscape lighting. I don't know if you saw that video before, but I'll leave the link up here. I installed these in-ground LED landscape lighting. It's a little bit windy out here today. Look at those palm trees going. So I installed all these landscape lights down here. There's one there. Okay, now let's get over here. I'm gonna turn this timer to a constant on position. Here's the control panel. You've got off, on, and auto, and then 4 hour, 6 hour, 8 hour. So I'm going to turn this to on. And I'm going to unplug this. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use our new outdoor smart switch. Plug that in there. Okay, I've got that plugged in. Route that through there. Now we've got a physical on-off switch, indicator light. It is blinking now. Press that once. If it's blinking, it says it's not picking up Wi-Fi signal. Okay, now it's solid. Let's see if the lights are on. Yeah, we have our lights. They are on now. The lights are on. I don't have an echo right here in front of me, but let me try. Let me go in here. I've got one on the patio. Test it out. I got one right up there on the windowsill. Echo, turn off outdoor outlet. Okay, let's go back out here. Yep, they're off. Let me try it again. Echo, turn on outdoor outlet. It's working. It works. Alright, now I can set up a routine for that or a timing schedule, but we've got our outdoor outlet working with our smart home. Now our landscape lighting is smart. Alright guys, that was the OITTM Outdoor Outlet for your smart home. I'm going to use it for my landscape lighting. I might use it this Christmas as well for Christmas lights. I'll probably get a couple more because I do have some other landscape lighting around the house. So I'm going to test this one out for a few weeks and then I might get another one. If you want one, I'll put the link below for the Amazon link and you can buy one yourself now. It's pretty inexpensive and seems to do what it's meant to do. So thank you for watching my channel again, and be sure to subscribe so you get all of my videos as they're released. Thank you again for stopping by. Have a great day. See you on the next video.